All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Nissan Altima. It is the 2.5S model. That's right, folks, on the 2017. White with this beautiful black interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, 24,000 miles on this vehicle. Super nice and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks fantabulous. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks very nice. Here's your front driver's rim, very nice. Or actually hubcap. And your tire thread is just at the line of 730 seconds. Got your front door here, looks good. Rear door and your quarter looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear driver's hubcap. And your tire thread for back here is over 730 seconds. It's got no dings, dents, or anything up here. Looking good. Got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Let me jump in here, turn it on for you guys. It does come with two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Obviously your AM, FM, CD player, all this and all that good stuff that's working. Got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues in your mileage of 24,743. Pretty much completes the tour. It's missing this little part here. I did order it, so that will be here tomorrow and I'll have it on. Here's your rear passenger seat with that side, no holes, no tears and rips. It does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around, rear bumper looks good. Rear deck lid looks decent. Here's a rear trunk space, and what that looks like, pretty big and spacious. We are calling this frame, as you see the hit here, as you can see it right there. Boom. So because of that reason, we are calling it frame. So what your trunk space looks like, pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and trunk space nice and big. All right. This quarter here looks good. Here's your rear passenger hubcap. Tire thread over 830 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears and rips. Front door looks good. That's just some dirt. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears and rips to that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger hubcap looks good. And your tire thread is at 630 seconds. All right. You got some chippies here in this front bumper. 1, 2, 3. A heavy scratch here, about 3 inches, sorry. All right, lights are working, car is on. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Nissan Altima 2.5S model with 24,000 miles. If you have any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.